Welcome back to Aside Hot. On top of the senior brother for the television station when they side Obodo the world, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. Hezugu Chukwudi Unkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, Oga Victor Ohai. They're inside studio and with the chook mouth on top of all of the Ogbonge stories when we discuss this week. Now, Oga Victor, we will allow you just wrap up that Tuesday because we still get Wednesday and Thursday. Fire down.
So, the thing, like I said, as the trial, I don't get quarrel with any trial. If sincerity did. But the thing be say, there is no sincerity judging by the comments of the people where they triumph. You understand what I'm saying? So, and what do we say? Even the people who call for a resignation, the truth is that, you know, they say, Konima and die, Konima and bury him. When two thieves, they struck, again, one English proverb, I make I talk here. They say, an opportunist, I'll talk about preaching, maybe I can't talk for broken. They say, an opportunist is that person who has the courage to take what you have always wanted to take. Is that person who is able to grab what you have always wanted to grab, but never had the courage, you know, to grab. Which means you don't eye something there since, but you never know as you go take. Somebody go take and say, if you get children, say, go see, this way don't take. That you don't take. You said you won't take him. When you said the guy is smart past you, true. Now it will happen for Senate be that. Then they call the man opportunist. They call everybody they scheme. Politics now about scheming. He won't be Senate president. Yeah, in birthright. He doesn't have 2 lifetimes. Now only 1 lifetime. You cannot decide a man's destiny. God don't write and say whether I like him or not. One day, this man, go be Senate president. Even if you remove him today, he don't answer that title. He's there in destiny. Some people want to spoil that destiny. You go sit down and they look. The man, he see opportunity. When people go sleep, he simply go there, he carry the thing. And the people who vote for him, now from the enemy's camp, self. So that is to tell you, say, now God, now put him there. Whether they like it or yes.
So what did you talk about?
So what did I talk? We say, he outsmart them. Because of that, now the thing pain them. It pained them well. So they come, they vex. They say they go revenge. Because of that now make them begin to pursue him. They won't bring them down by all means. Now, people when they call for a resignation, what did the man go resign for? What is moral ground? Like that viewer talk, Chukwudi also. The truth is that, so I go just get up now. I can't tell your management, say, you be thief. Then because of that, on moral ground, you can't resign. Why they give executive immunity? Is it not to protect them from unnecessary accusations like
Very
this?
true.
People will don't lie against them. People will just call you anything, give a dog a bad name to hang it.
Oga Victor, you
to
know go
protect that office.
As he say, the fire don't they come out for your eye. Make we go just say,
they hot now.
this call just enter one way, even though we put this thing. Oga Igo, they call us from Abuja. Oga Igo, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
Our guest in the studio, may God bless you. Good morning.
God bless you, sir. Good morning, sir.
I'm surprised say Uku be just quiet. You know, they talk
If you hear true, what you go do?
No, Uku be a correct guy. No, be say, you know they argue for the sake of it.
The guest in the studio, now my mind now is just speak. He talk so then he sweet me. He say he not get any yansh where small shit not there inside. I was just sweet me. See, if Saraki go down, if they say Saraki go down, many people for government. Go down for that. Only Saraki cannot go down. If Saraki go down, many people will go down. Because I remember the time you say when they want to fight this woman, Minister of Petroleum, say do this. The woman open list give them, say, okay, now one person go to me. See the people who follow me shop the money. See today, who could be? You don't hear anything concerning that story again. We never hear. So me, Saraki take the advantage of the door people, take an enter position. See, you must be smart in any government position. There's nobody from the head to the tail where they be say you never shove government money. So make it not be say where the thing when you don't do for the past. Nah, somebody will just say because Saraki na Senate president, just outsmart them. Now you call bring something come, you call frame and say make this man resign. The man cannot resign. The man strong. He cannot resign. To me, now people from the party say. When Buhari win, now people when they say they for PDP, now make Buhari win because now they leave PDP, go APC, and all the strong members where APC get, are PDP people, and they are PDP products, and bring come outside. So they cannot take Saraki down. It will be hard for Saraki to go down. Saraki go down, many people will go down.
Oga Igo, thank you very, very much. Thank you very, very much. You don't talk your mind. Oga Victor, we could just say.
I agree with him for what way he talk. Where he say if you go down. Might give now prover. This one again now from you. shit not get bone, but who match and not go waka street.
Hey, this one are words of wisdom.
They hear me so.
Say shit no get bone.
Person match and not go feel waka street. That's a key case with that. Make them leave that.
I don't hear proverb. Chukudi, I don't hear proverb. This one, no. This one go. In fact, we will give this one. We will give him a claim that this thing. It will start a trend for Twitter very, very soon. Oga Victor, we could carry him enter into it. Happened on Wednesday. Wednesday was 30th of September, and Wednesday was supposed to be the deadline for the release of the ministerial list. Until even not until 4 p.m. Now we hear say they don't carry the list somehow. Don't submit.
No, we see the clock. The photographer was very smart. The clock then at 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay. Clock not they talk lie.
Okay. Okay.
So if they thank God for that photographer. Therefore, lie say they don't give and seize, the man not agree release it. And make I tell you something. Bank, once 4 o'clock reach, every transaction is considered on Friday, every transaction is considered Monday. As far as I'm concerned, then lie, they not deliver on time. That September 30, they not meet them because Senate did not meet. They not release the list. The day where we go see list, now next Tuesday. So they not submit list until Tuesday.
But Oga Victor, make we leave the list now. They don't submit ministerial.
They don't submit, yes.
According, because we see picture. And Senate President don't talk say he no go open until Tuesday.
Bros,
sir?
Thank God say Senate President talk him. As far as I'm concerned, that envelope will contain dollars. Until they open them, there is no ministerial list.
But we don't see some.
As that, wait till we see.
Some news story people don't they carry people.
Who give them?
People
There's a- no.
List where they never open.
No,
Somehow.
inside information.
Inside information from where? Now somehow now they rule Nigeria. There is only one official source. That envelope. Where carry 2 Ogbonge people.
No, say,
Chief of staff on the right hand of the envelope. Special
advisor as they concern National
Senate,
Assembly.
on the other hand. Now, you don't see that kind of stuff before.
Oga Victor, see, if he be say somehow, so I still want to say, for them to release those names so they released yesterday, say, these people, nobody even say possible ministers, they say, these people, now people will go become ministers. If he say, somehow, they don't do the expo, open arm, Congress say, I don't see this name, I don't see this name.
No, to emphasize on what could be done, Oga Victor, no, to emphasize, some of these people, when their name, when their picture appear, they've been don't go DSS.
DSS.
So we feel confident.
DSS, some people inside DSS, you know, say DSS as it be. Outsiders, the insiders, and insiders. We go tell their closest friend not to tell another person, without go telling closest friend.
Not to tell another person.
So, but as far as we are concerned, now on that Tuesday night, they go discharging that envelope. Now that day, now they submit the list. What did they do for secret? We don't want to know. You know they are not there.
But Oga Victor, based on the things
the envelope we see where they give, we not see name.
No, but Oga Victor, as a man,
they lie. They not meet September 30.
Oga Victor, as a man, we know people in high places. We would like make you use your own intelligence. Tell us some of the people when you think say somehow feed inside the list.
Bros, if I go by waiting Oga Buhari president don't do and talk in recent times, it's not go hard to predict. All this talk about say upright people forget all that boo all that talk. Why I talk so? When they begin appoint all in close friends, family and associates, people they talk, say, I'm not gonna cool down now. I never finish all the appointments. Then they ask her for BBC outside service, say, why be say you now only people where they close you call them? They say yes. Say these are people who don't they suffer with them all these years. Where they close to them. No wahala. I don't get problem with them. But English people get one word for that thing. It's called nepotism. Nepotism. Nepotism means say they give job, contract, appointments to your friends, family, and close associates. They not talk say whether they're competent or not. But not be only your close friends, they're competent. Not be Nigeria things you go take reward your friends for loyalty. Not be our property, you go take the reward your friends and family.
Very true.
For loyalty.
Very true.
You hear me? So, judging by that, and you know another thing we say, he also can reward himself too. I hear, not be say I hear. He talks saying I go handle petroleum minister. Meanwhile, I don't talk say petroleum na noise. Ministers na noise makers. He talk am. Say ministers are noise makers. So that means say I been go come be the chief Otimpu, the chief noise maker.
Now you talk that.
Not be me talk. Now words wey come from mouth. Now we they use. So nobody go come talk say I talk. I don't go talk anything where they not talk. You hear me so? So he go come carry petroleum, come take and put for pocket. They follow make noise along with the other noise makers. He talk say they may not have all the ministries again. Me, I suspect, say, they don't want you, if to say they fit circumvent constitution, therefore do and only palm sex, therefore they take the rule. Only say constitution hook them for throat, they not fit do anything. You whether you like them or yes, that is no choice. You must appoint people from every state, even if you don't like their face. Now their constitution pass everybody. God pass us. So, and now they come, they slow the thing anyhow. No wahala. However, I won't predict to, they tell you as it could be. Now, another window where they want to take, they reduce it. And they hope, say, when they appoint petroleum minister, when he make himself petroleum minister, I hope, say, he don't go say appoint another person for casino. Count that one separate again with the watch. With the watch.
Okay.
With the watch. Because if he make himself petroleum minister, that is already one.
Out of the entire state.
Exactly. Second, they say they go reduce state. Anyhow where they want to reduce them, and they wait to see which state go be second-class state, where they go make minister of state, where they not go make full minister. With the wait. So right now, I can predict that nepotism will have its way. Now, my prediction be that, say, the ministers will be according to the gospel of nepotism.
But quickly, make we still look this minister issue. Some of the people when go DSS, now people when we say, we fit beat our chest, talk, say yes.
You did, yeah.
We see
everything a rumor.
No, but they see them now.
But now people
something
don't
rumor
see
when people. Okay, see someone like Femi Falana, a legal luminary, person when not read all the whole law book, so the book they wouldn't fear. Professor Patrick Okedinachi Utomi, now your brother, you know him now.
I don't say for the last list. Where I say, I'm not saying name for that list.
But since we talk, say they never release them.
We
never
never
release. 21 people
inside. I know they like to dwell on rumors.
Okay, until you see
ready to come back.
Who could be now? Be say you don't enter more trouble.
No, not be trouble. No. Who could be now my correct guy? When we they talk to, we don't need. You know they argue unnecessarily. If we they talk something makes sense, fine. But if we not balance, of course, you get right to challenge. So it's not. We are not against Ukubi. Not be no. Now, make we look, Nigeria. Now, what you tell us, all these politicians, well, they see they protect. So, right now, election don't finish. It's not about PDP or APC. It's about us and the government.
Yes,
everybody they cover government now, they cheat himself. You understand what I'm saying? Right now, we have, they promote an emperor that can do no wrong. It's dangerous for Nigeria.
Oga Victor, I beg. In fact, you carry enough energy come. But look, will still allow you, they make that your energy, make it release more. So that we go fit colleges come from Agbev. Oga Agbev, long time. Calling us from Makurdi.
Yeah, who could be?
Good morning.
Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Agbev. I beg, increase the volume of your voice.
Okay, no, say me, I know they watch at the work now.
Okay.
I just say today, make because what happened yesterday, when me I see for our independent what they do yesterday. So I like the money where our president spent. Because to know say that money where the man spent, so he want it up well. Then what you make me I want call, that's why I want job for. Because people they make us this and say it's but make them just look what our president just do now. Money when they cost the independent now. He don't want to waste money for Nigeria. He want help Nigeria. When you are going to talk now, make everybody put that for mind. Help your people. So this will work with according to our president. Wait, now see at the start now. This start our way.
Very true. Oga Agbev, thank you very much for that important point where you don't carry give us. And from Oga Agbev from Makurdi, we go enter Sokoto collect Oga Hassan. Oga Hassan, good morning, sir.
Hassan, good morning.
Oga Hassan, you there? e be like say network no gree make Oga Hassan contribute for that matter. Oga Victor, quick one. Oga Presido bin talk say when they carry list go give us say we wan buy so number of cow, bag of rice, kuku, chop, tomato. He say no, say this thing too much. He come do plot carry in calculator that old one when they do pim the press and him press come cancel everything reduce am to 70 million. Say in the face of present reality, even though we dey celebrate 55th, we not supposed to spend money like say we dey spend am anyhow. What do you think of this action?
The truth is, say Nigeria broke. We could not deceive ourselves. No money to spend. If they say money they to spend, they go spend. If Nigeria not get money, we could not lie to ourselves. Go see traders now. Go street. You go say money not there.
No, but this one when him do, you
Leave
like
that
you
story.
like
Money not there. Money not there.
But if we do score,
Money not there. Money
Oga
there.
Prince, good morning.
No money.
Morning, my brother.
Good morning. We dey fine. We dey fine.
Oga Prince, good morning, sir.
See what I want to ask your guest to say. Last 6 years ago, Imo State will not get minister. Minister where we get now only minister of state. That's all alone. Minister of state of foreign affairs. The minister still enter himself go minister of state. What do you mean? What your guest the talk say minister of state now? The way my wife make you explain to me. 6 years ago, the only minister of state.
Oga Prince. Okay, I know we get your point, Oga Prince. Wait, Oga Prince.
Hello.
Okay.
What thing I want to talk be say, I want to ask this question, say, how long will those who lose the election will remain in anguish and in pain and in bitterness?
Understand.
Everything where we talk and like say we get bitter. Whether we like it or we don't like it. President Muhammad Buhari from APC is the president of Nigeria. So make we cool our mind, make we pour water into our mind, temper our mind down, and follow this man. Last 5 years, we celebrate our independence with billions of naira. 2010, we spent 10 billion in celebrating our independence. But today, we can see the little amount of money we are spending. But 10 billion 10 years ago, what did I take this money do? Make it tell me.
Thank you very much, Oga Prince, for that question and reaction to what they talk about here. Oga Victor, you hear what Oga Prince talk. One, he first talk something about this thing, ministerial list.
That one, I not get fact. As far as I'm concerned, allegation, I not get fact. That is the truth. But I not see how they go pass through. So I'm not sure say no one day we get 3. It's not possible. I'm not going to argue with them. Maybe they change and then they later add. If there is a lacuna at a particular point in time and then it is later filled, you cannot come and begin to build it up. As I talked right now, I not get list for my front. So whether I true it talk or I have truth, I don't know.
Oga Sam, Oga Sam, good morning. Sorry, Oga Victor.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Sam.
Good morning, Ezego Chukudi.
Oga Sam, we dey greet you, sir.
God bless me every day.
Thank you very much.
On a month ago, they go from strength to strength.
Amen.
You young men are representing 90% of Nigerian citizens. Ogbonge visitor, welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
I have witnessed your line of discussion on this program, and you're on the right path. God will strengthen you in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Let us look at the issue on ground right now. First of all, you talked about somebody practicing nepotism. That means it's personal in his thinking that those who are around him are those who benefit something from me, and we're talking about national matter. In the first instance, Boris' ambition to be president of this country is like that of Obasanjo, who moved from military leadership into civilian president. That was what was the mind of Buhari. Now he has come in line with Obasanjo as achieving his aims. 2, I said this very week that the ministerial list will come next week. And so the handover of envelope to the president yesterday does not mean that the list has arrived.
No.
The day it is open, it is proven that that list has arrived.
Exactly.
So that he has fed the nation by end of 30th of September. He has done nothing. The man is deceiving us. The greatest thing he wants in life is may he become president as Obasanjo become president on 2 occasions. And in the case of Saraki, God bless Nigeria. Saraki is a symbol that will create one unit that people will forget that their better interest in APC cannot overrule the decision of the Senate to appoint Saraki as their head. That is why don't judge Saraki until the law says he's guilty of the offense he has committed.
Exactly.
Otherwise, Saraki is our Senate president.
Yes.
And by all standards, nothing will remove him. They remove him.
the division of this country will last for the next 4 years. That's Buhari said, if I didn't know, I could have said, leave him there because I'm going to take the decision that he will work with anybody in government.
Oga Sam, thank you very, very much. You, sef, you just dey come with plenty fire and thunder. We don't gather all the talk when everybody they talk for this matter. We go allow our Ogbonge visitor to address am. But make we take Oga Okoye from Suleja. Oga Okoye, good morning, sir.
Oga Okoye, good morning.
Oga Okoye, you dey hear us? Network no gree Oga Okoye. Quickly, we go rush enter inside market. When we go this market, come back, we'll use the time wey remain, allow our visitor address all the points wey they don raise before we can reach the final bus stop on top of As E Dey Hot. No go anywhere because na still As E Dey Hot.
Yes, welcome back. The program now As E Dey Hot, and wetin we dey look today, we dey look a review of wetin we talk about during the week, and then we'll get our Ogbonge guest for house, and Chukwudi as well still dey for us. Oga Victor Ohai still dey for house. They try give us breakdown on the issues, and to also at least they react to on our cause. We don't collect call from the likes of Agbef, Chukwudi, the likes of Oga Sam, and Oga Victor don't react to all these ones. I will not say he still get more reaction to react on this matter. So Oga Victor, you before we go that break, you will they talk something. Will they react to waiting black Agbef? Agbef call us. You will they react to waiting Agbef talk. Say Oga Sam rather. Will they react to waiting Oga Sam talk about the mist at least, and the kind of person way the way Oga Muhammad Buhari they take run in government.
Well, Oga Sam, for your information, and I talked earlier on, you see, people don't want to hear truth. When you come out with the truth, we see they protect. Election don't finish.
No be Oga Sam talk this one now. Okay. Prince, Oga Prince.
And the last person, election don't finish. So if we talk, make you know, say not be about election. There is no bitterness. Right now, PDP is like a headless chicken. The whole world know. They never get their act together yet. So nothing to fear and protect. PDP overnight not go come overthrow it. It not go work until they get their act together. So make we open our heart. Believe say when people they talk true. If he not agree with you, it not mean say the person, for God's sake, as I dey now, my state, the government, na APC. At the federal level, na APC. So if I want begin to play to gallery, I go begin to talk, waiting they go one here, whether they go give me appointment. I know they find appointment. Now truth that they talk. And they look for posterity, not be prosperity. You hear me, okay. So we talk true. Don't condemn us for saying the truth. We are not building, we should stop building an emperor that can do no wrong.
Okay, Oga Victor, thank you very much. We could now bring us to the issue of Nigeria at 55.
Yes.
Yes, so we don't come of age. And anybody who they born 55 years ago, at least, I've been talking here yesterday where they run them, this thing, say, anybody they born 55 years ago, at this stage, suppose don't know, say, yes, he don't become man. He don't fit decide, say, now like this, he won't run his own life. And we don't come out from the stage, say, you they crawl to the land to the worker. Now, I don't they work, I don't they able. So, how you go take assess Nigeria down the line up to this stage, where would they?
Make I use human being as example. You get some people will be 55 will never marry till tomorrow. Men,
so maybe they don't be Reverend Father.
When they not be Reverend Father. And not say biologically nothing wrong with them. You get some people where Yoruba they call Agbaya. They still be 55.
But they still wear jeans, they sag. They do swag.
Exactly. They see themselves like
whiskey.
You know that kind of thing. Age not be the issue. Those were all of us enter elementary school together from Singapore to Malaysia. To other countries and the rest. Many of them don't graduate with PhD.
Even Ghana.
Oh. Some of us, at the age of 55, we still they do what's up.
What's up, G?
You know that kind of thing. The problem with Nigeria, we go say leadership. Maybe God never bless us with people where we say that they're visionary enough, and then where they committed to the point where we say they know they look for Anybody wey dey look for second time no go ever perform well. You must be person wey say you go enter say, I go do wetin dey right. If I perish, I perish. And your yardstick, not be the Dangotes of this world to please, but that vulcanizer on the street. If you look, say if I feel improve the life of Waidi, vulcanizer, once Waidi improve, everybody go improve. But if you dare to make Dangote happy, Dangote may be happy, Waidi may not be happy. We never get that kind of leadership. Up till now, so they talk this minute. God, they see and they hear. Now from morning, we they know how
night will be.
Secondly, the kind of followership we get, they don't divide us successfully along tribal, religious, and party lines, if you like. Common sense, the common sense don't fly for window. People go see black, call and white, see white, call and black. We be like the Pharisees where we say, they see Jesus, they see Barabbas. Barabbas now criminal, everybody know. Jesus now innocent man. Pilate job now to release one prisoner during the Passover. Who make a release? They say, give us Barabbas, crucify Jesus. Till tomorrow. The third one, forget all the corruption you see, police and the rest of them. Now our media. Our media now our biggest enemy. They will chop, clean mouth like say nothing happened. People, they die for Bono. When I call that, they hear news. People from the north, they cry, say more people, they die. Wait, now, we cannot call it a station, but now one federal station like that, where I hear where they talk. Say, why they know they can't say there are people, they died. You know, they hear about news, they say, maybe that now the media is learning to be responsible. They don't want to, you quote Margaret Thatcher, say they don't want to give publicity. Now say they give publicity before to bring down government. So, people, they die. Now, they keep quiet. Nobody they hear. You hear me so? It be like ostrich wey bury head for ground. Carry your shop, say, if I know they see, now be say the thing not they happen. Say you close eye, you know they say, I mean say, when did they happen, not they happen. It's not true. You understand what I'm saying? Media, many editors, they don't give their houses. Well, Abuja, Magodo, everywhere. They go see truth like this, they go bend them. They go they defend them.
True.
Many media people, they carry blood on their head.
Oga Victor, you see, if we talk this talk for 2 hours, we don't go still finish. Because as it take concern Nigeria, we must continue to dey talk and talk plenty. But it's good as you don't promise us, say, anytime when we extend invitation, give you, you go come back again. I dey very sure, say, our people don't they talk, say, make we bring you, come again, make you come talk up, as it dey hot.
Not everybody like me,
but so long as say you dey talk the truth.
No, you talk the truth, and what you want.
Our people, when they for house, when I don't hear very important things, we go just emphasize two when they're very, very important. We go start with the last one. He been talk, say, if you check the problem of Nigeria, you go see, say, our leaders, you be like, say, somehow, we don't get visionary and committed leaders. He can talk about the followers, say, we don't divide religion, ethnicity, party, and he can talk about the media. So it's very, very important, say, we go start from somewhere. Leaders, followers, media, begin to repair this country. And I like this one where you drop first. You talk, say, chase posterity and not prosperity. Now, what we go live on our wait until we come back again on Monday with topic when they come out smoke inside of Obodo, Nigeria. Oga Victor, thank you. Say you come and say thank you very much.
Thank you.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.